Lenovo Aura Edition Imagine with Intel devices give you a variety of warranty options to keep your system running optimally. It's important to note that warranty options will vary depending on your device and region. With ThinkPad Aura Edition devices, you have access to Premier Support. Premier Support delivers end-to-end support with comprehensive hardware, third-party software, and industry-standard applications knowledge. Prioritized parts means you'll receive front-of-the-queue priority access when you need repairs. With advanced phone support, you'll always have direct VIP access to Lenovo Premier Support Elite engineers 24/7, 365 through phone, chat, or email. If your issue can't be resolved remotely, on-site technician assistance will help solve your issue within one business day. With Yoga Aura Edition devices, you have access to Depot support and Premium Care support. Depot support is the base level support option. With this coverage, Lenovo handles parts replacement and labor expenses. Basic phone support helps you remotely diagnose hardware issues and common problems that may arise during a warranty term. And when you need service, skilled technicians will repair or replace your device and return it to you with shipping costs covered by Lenovo. Premium Care Support offers Yoga users the same options as Premier Support for ThinkPad, including advanced phone support with dedicated Lenovo experts, expedited repairs at your location with prioritized parts and labor, and comprehensive hardware and software support. With your Premium Care Support warranty, you also have access to Getting Started and how-to assistance to help you with everyday PC issues, as well as a comprehensive yearly health check to spot potential PC problems before they become something you have to deal with. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or visit pcsupport.lenovo.com.